Y'all, if y'all come to Paris, y'all need this app, man. It's helping me learn how to ride the bus. You can use the train if you need to. All you gotta do is put in the exact destination you wanna go, where you going from, this option, and it's gonna tell you which bus to take by numbers. We headed to the Eiffel Tower, but download this app. It's called ID app right there. And there she is, y'all. Paris' most famous attraction, the Eiffel Tower. And it's surreal, man. I've always seen myself doing stuff like this, but actually being here in the moment, man, I'm just gonna have to take it all in, man. This is a crazy shot. I'm grateful and I'm thankful, man. I ain't dream of it as a kid, cause I ain't know it was possible. But then once I found out it was possible, man, I made it happen. Proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. It's a movie out here. It's beautiful, ain't it? I promise y'all, I'm gonna get y'all closer. Just relax. Relax, you're gonna get some. And we're back, y'all. We getting closer. I can almost touch it. Man, I don't know what to say, man. We here, it don't feel real. Just thinking about how many important people walk these same roads to look at the same view right here. Rush hour one of them come to mind when they go to Paris, and Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker is jumping off, and they land in the field over here. Man, Michael Jackson, I know he stepped foot here. It's so crazy to think about. And this thing has been here, I don't know, probably since the early 1900s. I ain't do research on it. But we here, man. Came all the way to Paris to see it. And I'm here to let y'all know it's real. We could try to go a little bit closer. I guess we could call it a walk-in tour. But yeah, that's that. Man. We're not gonna, like I said, we're not gonna go up. You can see the elevator. They said don't go up if you don't like tight spaces and you claustrophobic, because it gets tighter, of course, the higher you go. And they said the prize is looking at it. The prize is not being on it, because when you go up there, you can't see the tower. You go up there and see the city, but you come here to see the tower, not to get on it. Look at this park right here. I plan on doing more like this. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, man. Ain't nobody else doing it like me. Ain't nobody else bringing this to you. Not where I'm from. I done took y'all to Paris. It's beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta Sometimes you just gotta take it all in, man. Even though traveling is work, you come here for work, but you gotta remember to enjoy it also. Take in the sights, cherish the moments, because that's all you have, man. We live moment to moment. People don't realize that, but once you realize that, you look at life a whole lot different. You'll see that life is so delicate, life is so precious. Y'all gotta really understand, like, you get one life. As far as we know, we only get one life. You gotta go out there and make something happen, man. You gotta go get what you want, I promise you. Forget all that other stuff that you've been taught, that you've been grown up with, because all that stuff you've been taught made you believe that something like this is impossible. And if you don't got the belief that something's possible, you won't get nothing done. So I said a lot to say is, man, it's your life, man. Figure out a way to not waste it. Figure out a way not to let it pass you by, because who knows where we go? Nobody really know where we go after this life, man. It's all telephone, hand me down, pass me down. In my opinion, is a coping mechanism to deal with the fact that we all gotta die one day. But I wanna leave y'all with this. I want y'all to understand that it's your life, man. Live it how you gonna live it. Like, stop living for other people. Your parents, your friends, your siblings. Stop living to make other people happy without making yourself happy first. Happiness does become a choice, man. It is not an emotion, because when we use emotions attach to things. And once it gets attached to things, then we give our power away by giving our happiness away. Because once that object, that person, that place, that thing we put our happiness attached to, once it's no longer accessible and it leaves us, it takes the happiness with it, and you feel a void, you feel empty inside. And that's an example of letting us know that the happiness starts within us. You gotta believe that the happiness is in you, and you have to choose to be happy, man. You have to do what you want to do. Don't let no belief stop you. Don't let nobody else's doubt stop you. Because we here, man. We here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And we out. Thank you. Look at that background, man. Nobody else doing it like us, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We made it to Paris. Wow. I guess we could say Paris is just like the movies too. We out.